Hey guys, and welcome to Crazy Days. Today I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've been doing over the past couple of weeks. It's been really cold and couldn't get out a lot, and I've not done a whole lot of cooking videos or anything. I've mainly been cleaning, and this is our office. I'm going to show you. Anybody that's been here knows the office has been kind of a little packed for a while. Still got a lot of stuff in it, but I want to show you what it's looking like. For all of y'all that visited, the desk is clean. Isn't that pretty awesome? And we have, sorry about this, bay windows. Let me show you 3 bay windows across here. And the floor still has stuff, but not near as much. This is things I've got to go through and get rid of. Some books. A few things here that I'm sending to somebody. Some mats and stuff for picture frames. This is this is Danny's seed here. And then in the back I have a garbage can, a metal garbage can that I keep some of our like sugar, extra seasonings, some of our dehydrated stuff, things like that. That stays in there. This box in the back is for our gathering. I'm collecting things there, and I'm keeping it in one spot so that I can see where they're at. Okay, and around on this side, of course, the deer. And this is where people stay, so we do have a rollaway bed that stays in here. And I'm just proud of this. That desk is clean, guys. Now let me go show you the dining room. Okay, so we're in the dining room. It's kind of dark. Let me see if I can move where the light will hit it at a different angle. There we go. Okay, this is the dining room. Let's see. A few jars in my cabinet there. This cabinet stores food that we eat. Well, this stores the important stuff, candy corn. Then we have all our canned stuff going down. And I've got some to put down here that I just brought in. This is where we keep things for day-to-day use. This is some of our empty jars that we're going to be filling shortly. Hopefully, we're going to start cleaning out the freezer. Here, this is one of my next videos coming up. My Hoosier cabinet. We'll talk about this one, kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like and what's in it. But we'll come back to the Hoosier cabinet. All right, pineapple plants. And this is where I'm going to have to move to the other side of the room and come back. Okay, see if the light will, it's not going to lighten up enough that you can see. All right, the table's in the middle, and let's see. When I go around, you can't see the plants that much, but we have plants and the dehydrator. The dehydrator I take outside when it is pretty, and I can sit it outside. But one of my next plans is this Hoosier cabinet. I want to talk about it. So guys, that's what I've been doing. Now let's go see the baby goats. That's the next video. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.